Hey guys, Eddie's partner Simon here from Dream Builders SEO. Eddie spoke to you yesterday about shooting this really quick video for you. It's going to show you a way you can go about getting your website ranked on page 1 of Google and what that's going to look like in terms of extra client revenue. Now there's three main things I want to talk about. Number one is content, number two is backlinks, and number three is citations, and I'll explain each as I go. So number one, content, what I'm referring to is words and images. Basically, Google likes to see at least 1,500 words on a home page. It allows Google to know that there's enough wording there for potential clients to make an informed decision. And it also allows you to get in more keywords. And keywords are basically any search phrase that someone would enter into Google looking for your service, along with a location. So it might be collision repair, Pittsburgh, something like that. The more of those you can get into your wording, the more likely Google is to pick up that that's what you're trying to rank for. You're taking the guesswork away from Google, and it'll start looking to rank you for those terms very quickly. So super important. And then Google also likes to see quite a handful of images. It looks like this could be a pretty old site, so it's probably time for an upgrade anyway. Now I'm putting you into a tool we use called Ahrefs, which basically buys statistics from Google and presents them to us to show us what's helping rank your site and what it's being ranked for. And of course, the extra, the traffic that you're getting on a monthly basis. Organic traffic is unpaid traffic for the organic results section in Google. I'll show you that in a second, but it's unadvertised traffic. So to help you rank your site, what you're looking for is backlinks, which was step number 2. A backlink is anywhere that your website is labeled on another website with a clickable link that when someone clicks on it, takes them back to your website, and they come from referring domains. They're not all created equal. Coming from a better domain or a better website, the more authority they pass to your website. And the more authority your website has, the more likely Google is to rank you on page 1 for these keywords that I spoke about earlier, and the more traffic you're going to start bringing in. Now, what I did was type in Pittsburgh Auto Shop here for, for a relevant keyword to you and location. And I just want to point out that this map pack is super important to be in the top 3. Now, coming to step 3, citations, the way to get in here is by going out and filling in citations, which is where anywhere on the web your business name, number, and address is located on directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, and more. And if you've got more than these guys in here, you'll start creeping up into the map pack. You also need to have a competitive amount of reviews, and your Google My Business needs to be filled out fully and correctly. Coming down to some competition, just to show you what it would look like if you were in their spot. I'm going to look at Bourne Boulevard Auto and ARS Automotive. We'll start with ARS. Now, the first thing I want to just go through is content on their website, because if they don't have a lot, which they don't, then if you went about adding that content and upgrading your page, this is a fairly old page as well. Once you got that extra content there, you're already beating them for step 1. Now, step 2, backlinks. This is a much higher number, but coming from referring domains is not. So all you're really looking to beat is referring domains in this case with better quality domains, and you'll start ranking for a similar amount of keywords as long as you've got those keywords on your site, and start doubling your traffic relatively quickly. Super important to get these backlinks from these domains in, because it's going to start ranking you very quickly. Now, the next guys I wanted to show you is Bourne Boulevard Automotive. I'm scrolling down. I'm not sure if these guys offer collision repairs, but they do offer auto repair, so it's still relevant. Now, they haven't got a lot of content either, a little bit more, but definitely not 1,500 words. Once again, you've got these guys beaten on step 1. You've almost got the other guys beaten on step 2 and 1, and coming across to just looking at some of their keywords there, you're looking at 55 referring domains that you need to go out and get. The easiest way is to come and look in at what referring domains they've got, which I'm just going to point out through here, and going after those same ones, because this is like a roadmap to get to page 1, because they've already done it. We use their referring domains, and then we go out and get better quality and more of them, start ranking for a lot more keywords, and then we're talking massive extra traffic. And if you're only closing, if you were getting 500-600 clicks a month and you're only closing 10%, that's 50 to 60 extra clients per month, every month. Well worth investing in trying to get your page onto Google page 1. Now, this is something that you're more than welcome to go out and do yourself. Eddie and I don't have a problem with that. But if you do want to engage a professional, please feel free to reach out via the email we send you, and we'll get in touch. Once again, my name is Simon, and my partner is Eddie from Dream Builders SEO. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.